Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to temporarily fix P0420 or P0430 catalytic converter codes. Now keep in mind, this is not the proper way to fix it. This is just if your car drives great and there's no drivability issues and you have a cat code which is P0420 or P0430 and you just want to pass emission on it, you could try this first, but keep in mind this does not fix the problem. This is just kind of like putting a band-aid on it. So this one's got a P0430 code and I just want to pass emission on it. This is your bank 2 sensor 2 right here. So whenever you have a P0430, P0420, P0430 is going to be your bank 2. So you remove the sensor after the catalytic converter. Because this sensor is the one that senses that your catalytic converter is not good. It's the sensor after the cat. So you remove that. Now, once you remove that, you get one of these. This is your O2 sensor spacer or gap, whatever you want to call it. You can buy this on eBay. All it does is it puts a gap where the sensor is at. So you're basically just tricking the computer. So it's not sensing the flow from the after the cat. So we're just gonna put that there. Like I said, this is not the right way to fix it, but if you just want to pass emissions in the car, or you want to get rid of that annoying check engine light, then you could try this first before spending hundreds of dollars fixing the catalytic converter. That's it. There you go. You can reset the check engine light, take it for a test drive, and see if it fixes it. Hope this video helps you. If you got any questions, comment below. If you want to keep seeing my upcoming videos, please subscribe. If you got any questions, just comment below, click like in the video. And again, thank you for watching.